I quit all my friend circle. I stopped sitting with them on tea break, anything which wastes my time because that line hit me. मुझे वो hit कर गई बहुत ज़्यादा. मैंने मान ली वो बात. When I got a message from a person, the message was, मुझे जानते तो हो ही शायद, नहीं जानते. मैं अभिषेक स्वामी हूँ, currently doing MBBS final year from PGIMS Rohtak. I got selected in NEET with the rank of 18,000 in 2022, and I am in final year because I have passed all first, second, third year without getting any supply or any fail or low marks. Okay, and doing content creation along with it. So this is a really big achievement for me. Okay, that was not funny. So this is the story. You got it? How I become a organic content marketer being a medical student. So when I was in my 12th class, I was consistently getting distracted with video editing. You will think that this is not the distraction, but I was preparing for my medical entrance exam. And yes, it was distraction at that time because I was not able to focus on my studies and I was getting less marks in my NEET. Then I got a mentor. His name is Dr. Parth Goel. I think you know him because he educates NEET aspirants he have 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So yes, I got him through a test series and I have got a chance to talk with him directly on a Zoom meeting, and I told him my problem that I am not able to focus on my studies because of editing. I have interest in editing, and he said me one line, and my mom was standing just behind me. He didn't know that, but yes, my mom was standing just behind me listening everything. He told me that, bro, if you want to pursue this in your life, then you should have to focus right now on your studies. See, I am a MBBS third year student. I am pursuing whatever I wanted to become, and I have total freedom of doing everything. My parents never restricted me to do anything right now because I have cleared NEET and I have proved myself in front of my parents. That line hit me. मुझे वो hit कर गई बहुत ज़्यादा. मैंने मान ली वो बात. And I prepared seriously for NEET exam and I cleared it with a good rank. And after that, I joined my MBBS. My first year was very great. I had many experiences because in the starting of my college, I have protest. You will think the protest is not a great thing, रा ये protest क्या होता जी college में आते ही तुम protest करने लग गए. But yes, it was a great thing. It was a great foundation for us to learn about college, to learn about life. I passed my first year and I joined my second year in Jan 2023. No, in Jan 2024. And I started learning about video editing, content creation, reels, Instagram, how Instagram works. See, I didn't know anything about everything I said, but I started learning about it. I closed myself in a room like this room. I stay alone here. I quit all my friend circle. I stopped sitting with them on tea break, anything which wastes my time because I thought this is not good time for me to invest in everything. मतलब कहीं भी और मेरा टाइम लगाना ठीक नहीं था. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ जो बनना है उसकी तरफ ध्यान देना चाहिए. तो मैंने एडिटिंग एंड इंस्टाग्राम के बारे में सर्च करना स्टार्ट कर दिया एंड अपनी कुछ भी वीडियोस जो मैं बनाता था उसे अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया एंड कंसिस्टेंटली पोस्ट किया. मैंने डेली पोस्ट किया. आई पोस्टेड एवरी डे एंड दैट वाज द डे 54 when I got a message from a person. The message was, hey, I really liked this video, can you make such videos for me? And that moment, I don't know, right now when I'm telling him, my heartbeat goes up, systolic BP rises. So at that moment, it was really a nice moment, golden moment for me in my life. And I replied, okay sir, I can create videos and you tell me how much you will pay, because I don't know how much it costs making these videos. I am very beginner here. And we closed that deal at 150 rupees per video. You will think this is not a big amount, but yes, for the first time I'm getting something for videos, which every time my friends and my parents told me it is a waste of time, and I'm getting something from it. It was a very great amount for me. at the starting level. You should know who was that person messaging me on my Instagram. He was Parth Goel, that mentor who told me to study at that time, and now he himself reached me for my videos to create videos for him. This was really a great thing for me. So I started creating content for him, and in first 1 month I was able to generate 10K followers for him, and this was a amazing and eureka moment for him and me too, because this was the first time I have done such a good work with learning from different creators on Instagram and applying that knowledge into content of Parth Goel. And continuously I worked with him for 1 year, and I was able to generate over 100K followers on his page. When I started, he was at 69K, and when I stopped working, we closed the deal, he has 185K followers. So hey, this was my starting point of becoming a medical student to an organic content marketer. Yes, I forgot to tell one thing. Along with creating content, I was not only creating content to grow his account. I were also creating content to promote his book with organic content, not by boosting or uh, adding any money to Instagram to get more views. Nothing like that. Only organic content I posted on his page, and I got around 13.5 million views on one video. And after that, consistently, I got 2 to 3 videos every month, which will getting me 10 million views. And that video is totally based on his book, promoting his book. And this was really a good start for me to become an organic content marketer. Then after 1 year I learned many things, and now I had a portfolio to share with, to get more work, to outreach people. And I started outreaching people. I reached many people, 15 to 20, 50 people. I messaged, I cold outreached many people, but no reply I got. Then after some days, one notification popped up on my phone, and it was like, I want to know more about this. And she was Dr. Neha. Exactly not like this story. This is a filmy type I'm telling, but something different. Sorry, how we connected was there, but I cannot tell you that how we connected. मेरी मर्जी, मुझे फॉलो करो, मुझे ग्रो करो, मैं फिर बताऊंगा कि ये स्टोरी कैसे थी. ठीक है. डॉक्टर नेहा का मैसेज आया मेरे को, एंड मैंने उनके साथ काम करना स्टार्ट किया. एंड अगेन 6 मंथ उनके साथ मैंने काम किया, उनके सर्विसेज को प्रमोट किया, उनके अकाउंट को ग्रो किया. विद इन 5 to 6 मंथ उनके 100K फॉलोवर ग्रो किए. अगेन अ बिग विन फॉर मी एज अ बिगिनर. सो now it's the peak time for me to start creating content for me, to grow, to build my own personal brand. And now here I am to give you many learning lessons from my life as a freelancer, as a medical student, and as a marketer, content marketer, as an editor, as a graphic designer, as a script writer. You can learn anything from me, and I will teaching you all, not all, but whatever you want to learn from me, you can just comment. I will teach you. You don't need to worry about anything. I will teach you how to earn with your college. I will teach you how to learn skill with your studies. I will teach you how to manage exams with work. That this is what we call work life balance. I will teach you this in upcoming days. And in the end, I want to say, recently I got a video with some decent views and some followers, but special thing is that the people who are following me are that people whom I outreached 1 year back to get some work, and they didn't even seen that message. But today, in the notification, they had followed my page. तो तुम समझ रहे हो ये फीलिंग क्या है. मतलब मेरे लिए थोड़ी फीलिंग अच्छी है. मेरे को बिल्कुल इसको वैसे नहीं करना कि मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं क्या ही मिल गया. ये बहुत स्मॉल विन है, अभी बहुत आगे जाना है. और इंडिया में जो भी मेडिकल स्टूडेंट, मेडिकल से रिलेटेड पर्सन इंस्टाग्राम पे एथिकली ग्रो करना चाहता है एंड अर्न भी करना चाहता है, तो आई कैन हेल्प यू आउट. सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. वी विल ब्रिंग समथिंग ग्रेट टू सोसाइटी, विल ब्रिंग ग्रेट टू दिस इंडिया, आर इंडिया. हमारे देश को हम बहुत कुछ देंगे, हम बहुत आगे तक जाएंगे. हम मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हम सब कुछ मैनेज कर सकते हैं. तो तुमसे अगर कोई पूछे कि पढ़ाई के साथ में एडिटिंग मैनेज कैसे करते हो, वीडियोस बनाना मैनेज कैसे करते हो, तो तुम बस ये बोलना, मैं भारत का मेडिकल स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैं सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ। डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट द पावर ऑफ इंडियन मेडिकल स्टूडेंट। बाय बाय।